Hello everyone. In our last video we have discussed about total 80 question regarding science part 1. Now the next question is, in a relaxed state the focal length of healthy eye is. So in relaxed state the focal length of healthy eye is 2 centimeter. So the correct option is option A. Next question, for a specific glass lens f is equals to 0.5, this is the only information given to the student. Which type of lens is given to him and what is its power? So the answer is power 2D convex lens, power 1D concave lens, power 0.5 concave lens, power minus 0.25 D convex lens. So the correct option is option A, power 2D convex lens. In myopia, the human eye, the option is cannot see nearby object distinctly. Option B, cannot see distinct object clearly. Option C, cannot see nearby as well as distinct object clearly. Option D, can see nearby as well as distinct object clearly. So the correct option is option B, cannot see distinct object clearly. Next question. Due to elongation of dash and increase in curvature of the eye lens, a person cannot see distinct object clearly. So the correct option is eyeball. Due to elongation of eyeball and increase in the curvature of eye lens, a person cannot see distinct object clearly. Next question. In hypermetropia, human eye dash. So the first option is can see distinct object clearly, can see nearby object distinctly, cannot see nearby as well as distinct object clearly, cannot see nearby as well as distinct object clearly. Okay, so the correct option is option A, can see distinct object clearly. Next question, 86. Bifocal lens is required to correct dash defect. So the correct option is presbyopia. Bifocal lens is required to correct defect of presbyopia. Dash times larger image can be obtained by using a simple microscope. So the correct option is option C, that is 20 times larger image can be obtained by using a simple microscope. Next, dash is a combination of two convex lens with small focal length. So the options are simple microscope, compound microscope, telescope, and none of these. So the correct option is option B, that is compound microscope is a combination of two convex lenses with small focal length. Bronze is an alloy of dash. So the correct option is copper and tin. Option A is the correct answer. Dash is an alloy made from iron, nickel and chromium. So the options are brass, bronze, stainless steel, amalgam. So the correct option is option C, that is stainless steel. Next question, dash is basic oxide. Carbon dioxide, potassium oxide, sulfur dioxide, aluminium trioxide. So the correct option is option B, that is potassium oxide. Next. In electrolytic reduction of aluminium, dash is used as a cathode. So the options are sulfur, graphite, platinum and aluminium. Correct option is option B, graphite. In electrolytic reduction of aluminium, graphite is used as a cathode. Next, iron is. So the options are more reactive than zinc, more reactive than aluminium, less reactive than copper, less reactive than aluminium. Iron is less reactive than aluminium. Correct option is option D. Next, if Cu, Fe, Z and Al elements are arranged in increasing order of their reactivity, then the correct order would be which of the following? So, the sequence which is given to us, it is already in increasing order of their reactivity. So, the correct option is option A, that is copper, iron, zinc and aluminium. Which of the following method is used to prevent the accumulation of greenish layer on a brass due to the corrosion? So the correct option is tinning. Option C is the correct option, that is tinning. Next, in Wilfy table method to separate particles of gangue, dash method is used. So the correct option is gravitation. Next question. Aluminium oxide is dash oxide. So aluminium oxide is acidic, basic or neutral or amphoteric oxide. So the correct option is option D, that is amphoteric oxide. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric or amphoteric oxide. Atomic number of aluminium is dash and its electronic configuration is dash. So the correct option is option A, because atomic number of aluminium is 13 and its electronic configuration is 283, because first shell contain 2 electrons, second shell contain 8 electron and the third shell contain 3 electron. So the total number is 13. Next question. The chemical formula of zinc blend. The next question is, the chemical formula of zinc blend is zinc sulfide. So option B is the correct option, that is zinc sulfide. Next, extraction of moderately reactive element is done by dash and dash method. So the options are roasting and calcination method, roasting and reduction method, separation and calcination method, none of these. So the correct option is extraction of moderately reactive element is done by roasting and calcination method. Option A is the correct option. Corrosion of silver causes a black layer of dash. So corrosion of silver causes a black layer of zinc. The option is silver nitrate, silver oxide, silver sulfide and silver carbonate. So the correct option is silver sulfide. Next, to prevent corrosion of iron and steel, dash method is using. So to prevent the corrosion of iron and steel, galvanizing method is used. Option D is the correct option. In preparation of aqua regia, hydrochloric acid and dash acid are mixed. So in preparation of aqua regia, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid are mixed. So correct option is option B, that is nitric acid. The sound of one metal colliding with another make a noise. This property is called as dash. So this property is known as sonority. Option C is the correct option. Dash exit in a liquid state at a room temperature. As we know, chlorine, iodine, fluorine does not exit in a room temperature as a liquid. But bromine is the element which is liquid state at a room temperature. So bromine exit in a liquid state at a room temperature. Ionic compounds are electrically dash. So the ionic compound are electrically neutral. Option C is the correct option. Dash is the good conductor of heat but bad conductor of electricity. So diamond is a good conductor of heat but bad conductor of electricity. So the correct option is option B. Dash is least reactive metal. So simple, it is the option D, that is gold. Gold is the least reactive metal. Next, dash forms a green color in a water. So the correct option is option B. Ferrous sulfide gives green color when dissolved in water. FeSO4 forms a green color in a water. Tin is an alloy of dash. Tin is an alloy of copper. When one of the metal in an alloy is mercury, the alloy is called as amalgam, sodium amalgam, zinc amalgam, all of the above. So the correct option is option A, that is amalgam. The mineral from which the metals can be separated economically are called dash mineral ores, gangue, alloy. So the correct option is ores. The minerals from which the metals can be separated economically are called ores. Option B is the correct option. Generally, the melting and boiling point of carbon compound are found to be less than 300 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Celsius. So the correct option is 300 degrees Celsius. Number of valence electron in a carbon atom is dash. So the correct option is 4. Number of valence electron in a carbon atom is 4. The bond between two oxygen atom is dash bond. So the bond between two oxygen atom is a double bond. Option A is the correct option. Next, the molecule mass of a carbon compound is spread over a range of dash 10 raised to 12, 10 raised to 14, 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 13. So the correct option is 10 raised to 12. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes, alkynes, alcohol. So the correct option is option A, that is alkenes, because it is a carbon-carbon double bond. The unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structure contains a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkenes, alkanes, alkynes or alcohols. So the correct option is alkynes. Next, the phenomenon in which compounds having different structural formula have the same molecular formula is called as structural isomerism, catenation, homologous functional group. So the correct option is option A, that is structural isomerism. Next, from the following hydrocarbons, dash is the cyclic hydrocarbon. So we know that benzene is the cyclic hydrocarbon. So the correct option is option C, that is benzene. While going in an increasing order of the length, there is a rise in a molecular mass of the members by, so the option is 14U, 15U, 16U, 17U. So there is a rise by 14U. General molecular formula for homologous series of alkynes is, so general molecular formula for homologous series of alkyne is CnH2n-2. So the correct option is option C. Dash is one of the combustible component of LPG. So we know that propane is one of the combustible component of LPG. So the correct option is option C, that is propane. At room temperature, ethanol is liquid state. At a room temperature, ethanol is liquid. Now next question. Generally dash is called spirit. So option B is the correct option. Ethanol is also called as a spirit. Due to dash, we can gather information about worldwide events sitting at home. So the simple option is internet. Option B is the correct option. Due to internet, we can gather information about worldwide events sitting at a home. Next question. The first person to step on the moon is dash. Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams. So the correct option is Neil Armstrong. Next, the first artificial satellite dash was sent to space by Soviet Union in 1957. So it is Sputnik. So the correct option is Apollo, Chandrayaan, Sputnik or Luna 2. So the correct option is option C, that is Sputnik. If a spacecraft is to be sent to travel to outer space, it must have minimum velocity of, so the correct option would be 11.2 km per second. So first answer is the correct option. A group of students from COEP Pune sent a small satellite dash through ISRO in 2016. So it is Shyam. So the correct option is Shyam. A group of students from COEP Pune sent a small satellite Shyam through ISRO in 2016. The full form of COEP is College of Engineering Pune, and ISRO, the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Last question of science first MCQ is the astronomical object closest to us is the dash. So the simple option is the moon, because moon is the astronomical object which is closest to us. Now in our next video we are going to discuss about the question number first B, that we are going to find the correlation between the following question. So thank you friends for watching my video.